Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful: setting up a Wise account in India for 2025. If you're tired of high fees on international transfers or just want a smarter way to manage your money, Wise is a game changer. It's a secure platform that lets you send, receive, and hold money in multiple currencies without the usual bank hassles. Plus, with updates in 2025, it's even more tailored for Indian users. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Wise website or download the app from your phone's app store. It's available on both Android and iOS, and the process is straightforward. Once you're there, click on Sign Up and enter your email address or phone number. You'll get a verification code. Make sure to check your inbox or messages quickly. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. In India, this means providing details like your name, address, and government IDs such as Aadhaar or PAN card. Don't worry, it's all secure and compliant with local regulations. Wise might ask for a selfie with your ID for extra verification, which helps prevent fraud. This step is crucial, so double-check everything for accuracy. After verification, set up your profile by adding a payment method. You can link your Indian bank account or use UPI for easy funding. Now, explore the dashboard. Here, you can create a Wise account in different currencies, which is perfect for freelancers or travelers. Remember, in 2025, Wise has introduced faster processing times and lower fees for INR transactions, so take advantage of that. One quick tip: always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for security. If you run into any issues, Wise has excellent customer support through chat or email. There you have it. Setting up your Wise account is simple and can save you money in the long run. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's make 2025 your year of smart finances. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.